Hello everyone, here we will see the Electrical Machines Lab 2 Experiment 3 Swimmer's Test. Next, aim of the experiment to determine the constant losses and hence to find the efficiency of a given DC machine at any desired load. Operators are required. The following operators are required to conduct the experiment: voltmeters, ammeters, rheostat, tachometer. Range and type and quantity as mentioned in the tabular column. Next, this is the experiment circuit diagram. Next, this is the armature resistance circuit diagram. Procedure: connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Keep the rheostat R1 in the field circuit of the motor in cutout position. The resistance, that is rheostat R2, in the armature circuit of the motor in the cut-in positions. Supply switch S1 is closed. So S1 switch is closed. The motor is brought its rated speed by cutting out the rheostat R2 and cutting in rheostat R1 if necessary. Readings of the meters and speed are noted down. All the rheostat brought back to their respective initial positions and the supply switch S1 is opened. The graph of efficiency versus load current is plotted as shown in modeled graph. So this is the procedure for armature resistance finding method. So determination of armature resistance RA by VI method. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. Keep the rheostat in cut-in position. The supply switch S1 is closed. Rheostat is adjusted to any value of the current, say 1 ampere, and the readings of ammeter and voltmeter are noted down. The supply switch S1 is opened. So here we will see the demonstration of the experiment.
We are given connection as per circuit diagram. We are given the connection for the motor operation. Once we complete the connections, then we should switch on the DP/DT switch. Okay, and then we have to switch on the 3-point starter. Okay, so the motor will run at particular speed. If you want to make a 1500 RPM or rated speed, we need to vary the rheostat which will be connected to the field. Okay. See there, now we are getting the speed of 1500 RPM. Not that 1500 RPM. Now we have to check the voltage and current reading of this motor. Okay. Based on these things, the calculation like this. The tabular column should be made like this. Okay. So IL, IF, it is IL is nothing but line current, IF is nothing but field current, IA is nothing but armature current, and N is the speed, and VL nothing but voltage of the motor. After this, we should find the efficiency of motor as well as generator, because the same machine can be operated as a motor as well as generator. So based on these things, we can find the efficiency torque of the motor as well as generator. Thank you. You completed the experiment. First, we should make restart to the minimum position by varying this one. After that, you should switch off the DP-DT switch.
This is about demonstration of the experiment. This is the tabular column of experiment for both Simmons and RA method. So next one, final calculations are shown in the tabular column. So load is X, so it may full load, 70% of load, half of full load, and 25% of full load. Efficiency for motor and efficiency for generator as calculated and noted down in the tabular column. The next one, calculations are made by using these formulas. So efficiency when working as a motor and efficiency working as a generator. So using these formulas we calculated the efficiency for generator and efficiency for motor. So this is the model graph of the experiment. So IL versus efficiency for motor and generator. So this is the graph what we got from the experiment. Result of the experiment. Thus determine the constant losses and hence to find the efficiency of a given DC machine at any desired load. So these are the expected Viva questions from this experiment. I request all you prepare answers for this answers for the Viva questions. Thank you everyone.